Welcome everybody, it is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Sunday. It is June the 8th. We are breaking Gold Rush Autograph Funko. Last two boxes of our case we started tonight. We got boxes 3 and 6. We did pick a name, get 2 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customers, gave everybody a chance to trade, but nothing. Going down to double checking my chats real quick, not seeing anything. Alright folks, here we go. Should have our case hit in one of these boxes. Hopefully another nice hit on top of that. And wow, well, gonna be a Shotzi, guys. Wow, I was hoping for something a little better than that. Gonna leave us our last box. Gotta be that case hit there, guys. Gonna be the Shotzi Phonetics hologram on her, folks. A little disappointing on that one. Well, that one's going to D-Gen. All right, folks, let's see who our case is going to be here, I guess. Alrighty, guys, hopefully we got a nice player. Wow, well, wow, man, that's a little bit disappointing there. Gonna be a Claire Daring Bryce Dallas Howard, folks. Bryce Dallas Howard, JSA sticker and card on her. Wow, man. I have no idea what that's even from. Oh, I guess it's from fucking Jurassic World there. That was a little bit of a bet letdown. Wow, well that's going to be a D-Gen double hit on that, guys. I am so sorry for that. Wow, folks. Gonna be another D-Gen hit on that, folks. Come on, man. There you go. But that is gonna wrap it up, folks. Thank you all. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Join us at Bobby Two Pops Breaks.